Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters and I'm a financial coach. Here to help you plan for a brighter future and help you take more control over your hard-earned pennies with budgeting, saving, motivation and guidance. And I'm also sharing my investment journey with you. So today we are going to have a look at Altria Group. Now this company has been selling tobacco for a number of years and they are bringing this into the future because there's not so many smokers out there anymore and they want to be giving smokers a more healthy option. So let's have a look at what other choices they are offering you as a smoker. Now here you can see all the information, you can go more into it. Now the other sort of platforms they do is they give you oral tobacco, or you've got oral tobacco pouches, you've got e-vape and heated tobacco products. So they are trying to give people that would like to smoke different options, because you don't want to be struggling with the odors anymore or the ash and having to throw things away. So this is trying to future-proof it. They are trying to give smokers a healthier option to be able to continue with what they love. Now, as part of their 10-year vision, if you scroll down, you will see that they are also investing money and actually the legal uses, because I know there's a lot of uses for cannabis in a medical sense. Now they are having a look at that in a legal way as well. Now having a look at Seeking Alpha, this is still ticker symbol MO. Now the price at the moment is $38 and 33 cents. Now over the last year, as you can see, they've got, with coronavirus, they've taken a dip as well. They used to be in January about £49 per share. And if we go have a look at their dividends, now they are paying a 9% yield, and that's $3.44 per year. They've got 51 years in dividends growth. Now, in my last video, this showed 17. Now, if we go have a look at the dividend growth, that was due to an issue that was in 2003, but they've rectified that now, and now it's back to being at 51 years of dividends. Now, if you have a look over the last year, the growth was 4%. Over the last 3 years, 11, over the last 5, 10, and over the last 10 years, 9% in dividend growth. Now, if we go have a look at the profitability, you'll see the company's got an A+. If you're getting value so far, please hit that like button so it turns blue, and make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Now, if we have a look at Yahoo Finance, you will see they've got a market cap of 71 billion. Over the last 52 weeks, they ranged between $30 and 51. And as you can see, that coronavirus has really taken a hit on the company. Now, if we scroll down and having a look at the earnings, you will see they've beat 3 of their earnings so far and they met the other one. So it's all in a positive. And annually, their revenue has been 18 billion, which is quite high, and their earnings has been 14 billion. In 2019, they had a minus on their earnings, but recommended at the moment, it's a strong buy, a buy, and a hold. And on the recommendation rating, it's a 2.1 for a buy, and on the average price target, its average is 49 at the moment. It's at an all-time low of 38. So if we go up and have a look at some more information. Now, if we're going to have a look at the holders, you will see there's a lot of companies holding shares in this company. Now, there's Vanguard, there's Capital World Investors, Capital Research, Capital International, PJ Morgan. And then we've got Vanguard again, American Balance Fund, Income Fund of America, Fidelity 500. So that is really great for the company that so many funds are also holding the share, and just showing me that this is a stock to be looking at the moment. Just a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, I'm just a financial coach. So please make sure you always do your own stock research before you invest your money. I'm just sharing my opinion and my investment journey with you, but I'm not a professional investor. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.